Woo! Howdy ho, bitches. How are you today? Well, me? I don't know how I am. I was going to film a video today, a pizza video, then I changed my mind, and I wasn't gonna do it. And then I made some, just commercial brand mac and cheese. I was just gonna have that. And I said, fuck it, since I made pizza dough early in the morning, I'm gonna make a pizza. This is not the pizza that I planned on making. I'll do that tomorrow or the next day. But I haven't filmed a cooking video in over a month. And I said, fuck it. This is not how to, this is just what the fuck I'm doing for my supper today. It's the first week of November 2022. And it's a no beer edition. So we're gonna get uncanny with a nice fucking brisk. We're gonna start off with a tea. I'm kinda stoned. Had some weed edibles earlier on. I'm not very stoned, that's for sure. And I'm just more than mildly stoned. Pleasantly stoned. How's that? Drink up, buttercup. There you go, iced tea. Alright, so the pizza I'm gonna do is just gonna be a mac and cheese pizza. Not a deep dish. I'm just gonna do, I got pizza dough, pizza sauce, mozzarella cheese, my mac and cheese. Oh, I'm gonna put some hot peppers on there, I guess, some banana peppers, bit of garlic powder, and more mozzarella, that's it. There you go. It was going to be my shit-ass video for the first time in a long time. I still have tons of videos to edit. I don't know when I'll get around to it, whenever I feel like it. I actually looked at one a couple of days ago and figured out what I need to do to it, so it'll be another pizza video. Fuck, that's from May or June. Alright, so let me get this pizza dough flattened out, and we'll be back to build a pie. Alright, RTFO mofos. Cheers, big ears. Alley-oop. Ah, fuck yeah. Woo. Alright, bitches, it's been about 16 minutes. Pie's done. Nice. Sizzle, sizzle. Manizzle. Woo! Fuck yeah. Boom. Looks like that. Fuck yeah. Alright, let that calm down for a minute and we'll slice that up and give her a taste-a-roo. And I had garlic powder out there and I just didn't put it on. You know what they say in Quebec, eh? Shit that pan, eh? Alright. Cheers, big ears. Fuck yeah. Alright, give me a minute. Whoa. Cut-a-roo. Nice. Pardon my elbow. For our buddy, Mr. Elbow Boy. Fuck, that thing is fucking hot, man. Ain't gonna have a slice of that yet. Whee! Doggy! There you go. Drop a piece of mac and cheese. Drop another one. And another one. And another one. Bread. That's fucking hot. Alright, bitches. Give me a moment to cool down, and I'll be back. Woo! Cheers, big ears. Fuck yeah. Alright, bitches. Let's give this mac and cheese pizza a whirl, shall we? Before that, let's have some more tea. Brisk. Brisk. Alright. Fuck yeah. There you go. Our mac and cheese pizza with banana peppers. Hot. Fuck, man. Fucking good. It'll be really good with a little bit of pepperoni in there or some bacon, but pepperoni's in the garage and I don't feel like going up to the garage to fucking get it. Bacon is frozen. So, there you go. I got what I got. Like I said, I had all intentions of... Well, I do have the meat for the pizza that I was going to make. I'm not using that, because I'm using that. I'll make the pizza video tomorrow or the next day that I planned on. But for now, look at that nice fucking... Oh, wait, down here. Here we are. Looks good, eh? Fuck yeah. So if you want to make a pizza that's a bit out of the ordinary, make this. That's all I have to say about that. It's fucking tasty. I will say that too. I don't think I would call it TAF, but it's fucking tasty. So, there you go. Not tasty as fuck, but fucking tasty. Very good. Hot though. Man. Oh yeah. Crunchy. Alright, bitches. Short video today. Unusual, eh? I'm gonna go eat. Take some pills. And play some fucking Fallout. Woo! RTFO, mofos. Keep your head up, keep your stick on the ice, and make one of these pizzas. RTFO. Drink up, buttercup. Fuck yeah. That's fucking good. Bye-bye.